While running tutorial services in the 1980s and 90s in New York City and then Atlanta, I compiled notebooks of common errors that students made. By the late 80s, I decided that publishing was a much more efficient way to help students to learn what I had learned. I wrote cram sheets, individual laminated sheets that solved math problems with much more variety and detail than a typical textbook would have space for, that also emphasized points where common errors were typically made. Not long after came the stuffed sheets study guides, which extended cram sheets by including condensed versions of the concepts that underpinned the problems being solved. By the mid-2000s, stuffed sheets were converted to digital form and made available for download. But all of this didn't seem as if it went far enough. There was so much more that could be done to prevent students from turning away from math and consequently the careers that require math, no matter how little. Then MathDBase. It occurred to me to create a site where students could quickly look up information on any math topic and see examples of how to solve just about any type of math problem. Let them find definitions, formulas, theorems, and graphs. Watch videos on how to solve problems, on the finer points of various techniques, and how to sketch graphs. Be able to find anything related to their coursework and search based on its name or keywords, while making it all available by computer, tablet, or smartphone. MathDBase consists of two interactive databases, a content database and a solutions database. The content database will cover all of the basic mathematics required for any STEM major. So students majoring in or aspiring to major in biology, chemistry, biochemistry, pre-med, and similar fields will generally not have to take any more math than this, and in some cases, much less. Similarly, completion of these courses would be the starting point for specializations in highly mathematical fields, such as majors in mathematics, statistics, actuarial science, physics, and engineering, for students going into their third year. So far, all of the content for arithmetic, the algebras, trigonometry, and pre-calculus has been completed, and that for analytic geometry and calculus is currently in development. The content for the remaining subjects will follow. The solutions database will consist of over 250,000 solved math problems from all of the fields of the content database, solved and illustrated in detail. Developing the solutions database is the primary purpose of this Indiegogo campaign.